Earn up to $500 guys doing absolutely nothing but just installing these 5 apps that I'm going to show you right on this video. What's up guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and it's really great to see you guys here today. And I'm totally pumped up to bring you another video about earning $500 just for downloading apps and doing absolutely nothing. So you can basically just sit here and go to sleep and do whatever you want to do and still earn money. But guys, I don't know about you, but that sounds really good to me. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my channel right now, because I came out with videos every single day that will show you how you can make money online, how to work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right online, this is guys what I am doing, and I'm absolutely loving it. If you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income online right at working from home, I highly recommend you to click the first link in the description, my #1 recommended system that teaches you exactly how to go from zero to $1,000 a day online. It's a 40 minutes pure value webinar that teaches you exactly how to start an online business step by step. A lot of people are going through this and they are absolutely loving it. And guys, if you want to ask any question, feel free to comment below in the comment box, and I try to answer them all. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, let's get into this. So the 5 apps guys that I am going to show you about, but don't worry guys, this is not going to drain the battery on your phone or anything like that. But I tell you what, it just might pay the phone bills. So let me give you all the details here. So the first website we are going to talk about is called Panel App. Now you can earn up to $120 a year for just keeping this app installed on your phone every month. So guys, every month they will give you points which you can redeem for cash. Okay, so all you do is use the app for like 5 minutes right after you download, but then after that you are going to learn and learn. You are going to earn forever. This is really cool app guys. So you can earn recurring income for $10 per month, but if you refer your friends, you can scale up to this around $20 a month, which is pretty good. So guys, first download the app, and you're gonna need to fill out some information about yourself so they know who you are, and it's only take a few seconds to do. So guys, once completed, you'll earn points every single day as long as you have the app installed on your phone. Alright, so that's it guys. Go and check it out over at panelapp.com. It's a great website, and I'll leave a link in the description so you can go and check it out. Panel App, go get panelapp.com. So guys, the next website we are going to talk about is called smartpanel.io. It's called Smart Panel App guys. This program will pay you $180 a year. Yes, I said that right, $180 a year for just downloading and installing the app guys. That was so awesome. And you have to download the app on 3 different devices. So you know, if your brother has a phone or your sister has a phone or anything in your house, or have a couple of computers in your house, you can install this app on those 3 devices and they are gonna pay you $180 per year. So that's not too bad guys. And the app is pretty much spies on your daily activities and your search results and collect information. Okay, but guys, they not collect your personal information. no personal information guys is going to be transferred over the app. They just want this information as it's highly valuable for their advertisers who wish to market to you later. Okay, so you can make a $5 per each device. They allow up to guys 3 devices, totaling around somewhere $15 per month, and they will pay you $15 per month and $180 per year. So guys, go and check it out. It's called smartpanel.io. I'll leave a link in the description of this website. So guys, let's jump onto the next website, and the next website I'm gonna talk about is called slidejoy.com. So this company guys will pay you to unlock your screen on your phone. Now this is something that most of us already do, so why not get paid to do it? This one is available for guys only for Android devices right now, and you can get it from Google Play Store and you can download it from there. Guys, the company wants to pay you $60 a year for leaving this app installed on your phone. Okay, so first you can download the app and then you can register it now. And if you register with your Facebook guys, they are going to give you more points, so don't forget that. And after this, after you install everything, the company start displaying ads on your lock screen. Okay, so after you unlock the phone, the app credited your accounts points in your accounts. Okay, so after you unlock your phone, you can select to be paid, and you can select to be paid by PayPal, and you can get an Amazon gift card, and you can also be paid out through Square Cash and other websites. So go guys, check it out. It's over to slidejoy.com. Okay, so next website I'm gonna talk about guys is called Microsoft Rewards. How would you like to make an extra $100 a year for doing absolutely nothing guys? Well, you can do it from Microsoft Rewards. What Microsoft, they are gonna pay you like $9 a month just for browsing the web, and it's awesome. And that's pretty much what a lot of us already do. So why not get paid to do it? I mean, that's pretty cool. You can use any browser on your phone that uses the Bing search engine, and so that's how it works. And essentially you will get paid for 10 searches per day on level 1, and then you can get paid up 25 searches on level 2. So how that's work is, level 2 is achieved by earning at least 2500 points per month. Alright, so you can redeem your points to Xbox games, and you can get like Windows gift card. But what also cool is that they will actually add points to your Microsoft Store account, so you can buy whatever you want, put that money on those points toward merchandise. And so let's say at the end of the month you can make $100. You could buy something, and you can shop anything like JBL Bluetooth speaker. That will be kind. So here it is guys, go and check it out. It's called Microsoft.com Rewards. So the next website guys I'm gonna talk about is called Drop. So guys, this helps you earn money for shopping as normal. And you also know we all like to shop. I love shopping. But you can download this app and you can link a credit card or debit card. That's the first thing you can do. And then you choose the brand that you will love and those store that will like to shop at all, right? Then you start shopping, and the app is going to give you points per dollar that you spend on that. Okay, so for every dollar guys, if you get a whole grocery bag or whatever, they're gonna give you point on each dollar that you spend. So how much you can make? Well, you can expect to make somewhere around 10 points per dollar that you spend. So just say like you have 5000 points, will get you $5 gift card, and 5,000 points will get you like $50 Amazon gift card. Okay, or something like that. So you can pretty much buy anything you want over Amazon. So that's cool, and you can buy it from anything on that money. So guys, here's the 5 website I'm gonna talk about, and I'll leave a link in the description of these website. But guys, at last you are still trading time for money, so in order to get paid you have to do some work. But guys, if you want to learn how to generate a full-time passive income online right at working from home, I highly recommend you to click the first link in the description, my #1 recommended system that teaches you exactly how to go from zero to $1,000 a day online. It's a 40 minutes pure value webinar that teaches you exactly how to do it step by step. So guys, that's it. If you like this video guys, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any comment regarding this video, feel free to comment below on the comment box, and I try to answer them all. Have a nice day, and I'll see you tomorrow.